In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a screenshot into an editable wireframe in Uizard. We'll go from opening your browser to previewing a clean, clickable wireframe, keeping everything simple and focused so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type uizard.io and press enter. When the site loads, look for the login button and click it. On the login page, enter your email and password, then click login. Make sure you're using your own account details. No need to share anything sensitive on screen. Once you're in, it's time to create a new project. Choose Start from Screenshot or Import Design. This option is perfect when you have an existing UI mockup or a screenshot you want to turn into an editable wireframe. A file picker will open. Browse your computer and select the design image you want to use. Common formats like PNG or JPG work well. After selecting the file, click Open. Uizard will now process the image and convert it into editable screens. This might take a moment depending on the complexity of your design. What's happening behind the scenes is that Uizard is detecting key UI components, buttons, inputs, headers, and translating them into elements you can modify. When the conversion finishes, switch to a simplified look by clicking wireframe mode or toggling the wireframe view. This strips out the heavy visuals and helps you focus on structure, layout, and hierarchy without getting distracted by colors or detailed styling. Now refine your wireframe. Click on Components to edit text, resize frames, or adjust spacing. Drag elements to reorganize content, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat and consistent. If something doesn't quite match your original intent, you can swap out components or tweak the layout to better reflect the flow you want. Need additional content? Add new screens or elements using the Components panel. From there, drag in buttons, form fields, icons, or containers, and arrange them to build out the rest of your user journey. Keep your labels clear and your spacing uniform so the wireframe reads logically from top to bottom. When you're ready to see it in action, click Preview to view the wireframe flow. This gives you a clean interactive overview of your screens so you can quickly evaluate navigation, content hierarchy, and pacing before moving on to high-fidelity design.